Here we have a couple of examples of logging into the box. So at the top of the picture here, you can see, we've got a box that's already configured, hostname set, some user called user already created. And, when we log in, we get what we expect: username, password, and, we arrive at our operational mode prompt. So username at router, and then our greater than symbol. It might be worth noting that just above the username, you can see the TTY, the terminal we've logged in on. And in this particular box, TTY U0, that would be a serial console port on some models of Juniper device. Below that, we've got an example of more or less the same things, but this time it's a root user logging in. Now, if it was fresh from the factory, we wouldn't need a password because no root password would be set, but here we're prompted for a password, we give it, and then we get something a little bit unusual. You can see that instead of immediately coming to the Junos CLI, our prompt now reads root at hostname or router, and then this percentage symbol. And that's because we've been dumped into the Unix shell underneath the Junos CLI. So this is kind of a little backdoor. If we had some problem with the CLI code on the device, we know that with the root user, we can always end up coming direct to the Unix shell first. Anyway, we don't really want to do anything here. We've no real need to CD around the file system or ls-l list the directory listing or something. So we're just going to type CLI and immediately start that Juniper standard CLI.